Hey, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Now the title of this video is called Why 90% of our customers use our source and convert service. Now I did record a video last year to talk about our source and convert service and how it all works, but I've decided to do another video on this because this is a really good option if you want some help in sourcing the right base vehicle for a VW camper and you like the idea of choosing all the spec and the extras on your camper van so you can put a personal touch on the finished camper. Now one of the main reasons that our customers use our source and convert service is because they have a very particular spec and colour of base vehicle in mind. So this is quite hard to do if you're trying to buy a completed camper that's already been converted. It's sometimes quite hard to find the exact base model that you're looking for as well as the actual conversion itself. So when you use our source and convert service, we're going to help you actually find the right base model of van so that you drive away ultimately in your ultimate camper. So you've essentially got three options when it comes to acquiring a VW camper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to talk through each of those options so that you can work out what's the best option for you. So if you are a VW camper newbie and you've only just started doing your research, you might be a little bit confused about all the different options. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I think you're going to find it really helpful. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that because I do share lots of information videos and we've got over 100 videos in our channel answering lots of different questions. So make sure you subscribe and also check out some of my previous videos. So your first option is that you go and buy a completed camper, a brand new conversion from a conversion company like us, or you go and buy a camper from VW directly. So you might go off and buy a California, which is the factory camper that VW do. So this is a really good option if you do want a completed camper just to drive away and you don't want to wait to have one converted. And there are plenty of completed campers with brand new conversions out there on the market. There's lots of conversion companies in the UK. So you may be able to go out there and find one that kind of ticks the right boxes. But having said that, it can sometimes be quite difficult to find the right camper in terms of the base vehicle itself, as well as having the kind of conversion that you want inside the van. So you may be able to go and find a camper that's got the right based vehicle, so it might be a Highline with a tailgate and it ticks those boxes, but then you find that the actual interior of the van, all the colours of the furniture and the upholstery and everything else is not to your taste. And then you've also got the problem the other way around, so you might find a camper that's got a really nice interior that kind of ticks all the boxes on the conversion side of it, but the actual base vehicle might be a start line or it might not have the right spec on the actual base van itself. Therefore, it's not going to be the right camper for you. So this can be a little bit of a minefield, and a lot of our customers do come to us and use our source and convert service for this reason, because they've been out there looking for the right camper, and they might have found a few vans that they quite like, but some of them just aren't ticking all of the boxes for them. And when you're spending anything from sort of £50,000 to £70,000 on a VW camper, you really want to make sure that you're 100% happy with the camper. Otherwise, over time, you're going to regret buying that camper if it's just not the right one for you. And although there are plenty of newly converted campers for sale out there on the market, the actual level of spec and quality of finish does vary a lot from one company to another. So you do really have to be careful about who you actually choose to buy a completed camper from, or who you choose to actually have your own van converted. As a company, we do sometimes have completed campers on the shelf ready to go. It's quite rare that we do because, like I say, most of our customers do work with us through our source and convert service, and we work with them to spec out the base vehicle from scratch. But occasionally we do buy base vehicles specifically to spec ourselves and turn into campers, so we do have some campers available for our customers to come and buy. Now, at the time of recording this video, we do actually have 2 completed campers available, and we also have 2 campers in the pipeline. So if you are interested in having a luxury camper ready to drive away, make sure you go to our website, go to the sales page and check out all the available campers we've got and also some of the campers we've got coming through. All you need to do is go to our website, which is highlifecampers.co.uk, click on the sales tab in the menu and you'll see all our available vans and campers. Now the second option that you've got is that you actually go and buy a van yourself. So you go out there and buy a base vehicle ready for a conversion. So you could either go to VW and buy a van from them directly, or you could buy a van from another trader, maybe a local dealer to you, or you could go actually buy a van from a private seller. And if you bought a van from a private seller, you wouldn't need to pay VAT because the VAT's already been paid. So going and sourcing and buying your own base vehicle to bring to a conversion company is quite a good option for some people. Having said that, most of our customers do prefer us to help them in sourcing the right vehicle. So if you did want a conversion done by us and you wanted to source your own base vehicle, what you would do is you go off and buy that van, and then you'd give us a call, and then we can talk through the availability that we've got for a conversion. And as it stands, we're converting around 5 campers a month, and that's a mixture of our own campers, our own vans that we're converting, as well as our source and convert customers. And then occasionally we do have a customer's van that we're converting as well. So depending on the time of the year, we normally have around a 6 to 8 week waiting list in terms of getting in for a conversion. So if you were to give us a call now, for example, and you had a van that you wanted converting, it would probably be anywhere between 4 and 6 weeks at the moment to get you booked in for a conversion. So if you are planning to go and buy your own van and have a conversion done by us, we do recommend that you get in touch with us as soon as you can, because the demand for campers goes up massively from March to November. So we're really, really busy from March all the way through until November. And as we get nearer to spring and then into summer, then of course those conversion slots do get taken and the waiting time can be longer. Now, of course, there are downsides to sourcing your own van, and the main one being is that most people aren't that sure about what they're actually looking for. It really depends on your background and what level of experience you've got in buying vehicles, but in particular what kind of knowledge you've got around base vehicles for campers. Because when it comes to transporters, there are quite a few variables that come into it, and some vans are more suitable to be converted than others. There are things like the actual model of the vehicle, so whether it's a Highline or a Startline or a Trendline, those things come into it. But also you've got things like the T28, the T30 and the T32, which is all down to the load bearing weight. So I don't want to get into all the technicalities in this video, but there are quite a few variables when it comes to sourcing a base vehicle for a camper. And if you don't know what you're looking for, and you're also not quite sure about how much money you should be paying for a particular van or a particular age of van, then it's probably better to get some help from a company like us who buy lots of vans. We're buying around 50 vans a year from VW. We've been doing that now for a few years. So we've got a lot of experience in buying base vehicles, and we've got really good relationships with a number of dealerships around the UK. We are able to source the right base vehicles at the right price and just help you through that process. Okay, so this now leads me on to the third option, which is to use our VW approved source and convert service. Now, this is the most popular option for most of our customers for a number of reasons. So what I'm going to do now is just take a little bit of time to explain how our source and convert service works and why this is a really good option if you are looking for a nearly new base vehicle and you want a brand new luxury conversion, and also have the ability to choose all the colours and the spec and any extras that you want on the completed camper. Now, the main reason that we decided to launch our VW approved source and convert service about 18 months ago is because we really wanted to offer our customers complete peace of mind when they bought a camper from us. So over the last 18 months or so, we've been building really good relationships with a number of dealerships around the UK that we buy base vehicles from on a regular basis. So this means that our customers get a really good quality VW approved base vehicle with a number of choices of specification. And because most of the vans that we source from VW are usually between 1 and 2 years old, you're also going to get a really good amount of VW warranty on that van, which really does give our customers peace of mind when they do buy a camper from us. And we also do offer a 12-month warranty on the actual conversion itself. So if anything were to go wrong at all with any part of the conversion within the first 12 months, then we will sort that problem out. And we also do all the due diligence, and we run all the reports on each vehicle to make sure that vehicle does check out, it's got a solid history, and it's the right type of van for a conversion. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run through the 5-step process that we go through when we work with a source and convert customer. So I'm going to quickly run through all 5 steps of the process so you can see exactly how it works. Okay, so the first step of the process is to jump on a phone call with us so we can talk about the kind of base vehicle that you're looking for. Because one of the most important parts of a camper van obviously is the base vehicle itself. Obviously the conversion is really important, but if that conversion is not on the right van, then of course it's not going to be good long term. What we do is we jump on a phone call and we firstly find out what your overall maximum budget is for the camper. Because once we know what your budget is, we can then kind of reverse engineer the process and work out what type of base vehicle that you need. What we'll do on that call is we're going to find out what your rough budget is, and then we're going to find out what base vehicle you want ideally. So things like the colour, whether you want tailgate or barn door, whether you want automatic or manual, and any other kind of variables that you might want on the actual base vehicle itself. And then once we've got all that information from you, what we then do is we go out to our contacts at VW. We have about 2 or 3 dealerships that we deal with on a regular basis that we buy vans from literally every month. So we get in contact with them, we put the feelers out there, and we try and find the right base vehicle based on what you're looking for. And then depending on how specific you're being with the base vehicle, we can normally find 2 or 3 vans that tick the right boxes within a couple of days. So once you have chosen one of the vans that we've sent you, if you decide to go for one of them, what we then do is we do all the due diligence. So we do all the paid reports, we find out all the history of the van, make sure it's never been written off or it's got any finance on it. But to be honest, most of these things are not really a problem when you're buying vans directly from VW, because they've already done all the due diligence, they've done any little bits of bodywork that need doing, and they make sure that van is perfect to be resold. So normally we don't have those problems, but just to give us and you peace of mind, we do our own due diligence, and we do run reports on the vans just to make sure it's the right vehicle for our customer. And then once we've got all the reports back and we're happy with that particular vehicle, we will then go and put a reserve on that van, we'll pay a deposit, and then we'll arrange for that vehicle to be delivered to our workshop. So we'll go and buy the van on your behalf, get it delivered to us, ready for the conversion. And then the third step of the process is the exciting part, because that's when we're going to work with you to choose all the colours and the spec and the extras that you want on your camper. So once we know the base vehicle, we know what the colour of it is, it's going to be much easier for you to choose all the colours of the furniture and the upholstery and the blinds and things like that. So what we'll do then is we'll email you an online spec questionnaire. So this is a checkbox questionnaire, and it will talk you through all of the choices you've got for the whole of the interior of the camper. So you'll use our conversion spec guide, which you can download from our website, and that will give you all the different examples of colours and things like that. And then once you've sent that spec questionnaire back to us, if we need to jump on a call just to talk through any of your choices or talk through any of the colours that you're unsure about, we can do that. And then once you send that spec questionnaire back, we will then send you a confirmation document to sign, so that we're all clear on exactly what you're having on your camper. So when it comes to choosing the spec of your camper, you're going to get to choose the colour of the furniture, the upholstery, the roof, the flooring. You're going to get to choose from 10 different styles of alloy wheels, and also any extras that you might want adding to the camper. Things like extra reading lights, extra USBs, maybe a reverse camera if the van hasn't already got a reverse camera, possibly rear speakers in the back and things like that. So you are going to get to choose what the camper looks like inside, and we will send you samples and examples so you can make the right choices. And when it comes to choosing spec, you can either do it remotely, which is what most of our customers do. So you can do it through the spec questionnaire and watching videos, and we can send you out samples in the post. So most of our customers do it that way. If you'd rather, you can come to our sales office and we can sit down with you and actually show you physical samples of everything and talk through things face to face. Now, we would actually prefer to do that face to face, but most of our customers live a long way from where we are. Most of our customers come from Scotland and down south, so we do everything remotely. But that's completely up to you. You can either do it online, we can do it remotely, or you can come into our office and meet us face to face. Now, the fourth step of the process, once you've chosen all the interior spec and the extras that you want, is we then talk about the conversion date, and we work out when we can fit you in for the conversion. We actually would probably have already had this conversation a bit earlier, but if we haven't decided at this point, we will then talk about the availability for a conversion slot. And with our source and convert customers, we can usually get you slotted in within around 3 weeks. Once we've sourced the base vehicle, we've had it delivered to us, and you've chosen all your spec, it's usually around 2 to 3 weeks before we get that van into the workshop ready for a conversion. And once we've started the conversion, it's usually around a 2-week turnaround from starting it from scratch to you driving away in a completed camper. It's usually around 2 weeks. And in terms of a deposit, we ask for a 50% deposit 3 weeks prior to starting the conversion. So basically, as soon as we've actually found the right van for you, we've reserved it. At that stage, like I say, we will then ask you for 50% of the price of the completed camper. So for example, if the completed camper was going to be £60,000, you would then pay £30,000 3 weeks prior to the start date, and then you pay the balance on collection. And then step 5 of the process is the most exciting part for you and for us, and that's when you come to actually collect your completed camper. And in most cases, we haven't even met the customer before they come and pick up their camper. So we really enjoy handing over completed campers to our customers and just seeing their face when we reveal the camper to them. It's a really, really nice moment. And we try to get most of those handovers on video. So if you haven't already seen some of our handover videos, make sure you check out our channel, because we've got lots of videos where we've handed over campers and you can see some of their reactions. And because most of our customers are coming from a long way to pick up their camper, we get people coming from the Highlands and from South Wales and even from the Isle of Wight sometimes. They usually come by train or they fly into a local airport. So we do offer a pickup service as well for all of our customers. So for example, if you were coming from Edinburgh, you could get a train into Huddersfield. We'd come and pick you up at the train station and then drive you to your camper. Okay, so that's it in terms of the process that we go through for our source and convert service, and a bit more information about how it all works. But before I go, I want to just mention one thing which is quite important, and that is that most of the vans that we source and buy through VW are usually between kind of delivery miles, so brand new vans, up to a maximum of around 2 years old. So that means that most of the vans that we're sourcing from VW are fairly new vans, and they are usually Highline vans, which means that when we put our Platinum conversion package onto that van, you're going to be looking at a final price of anywhere between kind of £57,000 and £70,000. That's the usual kind of price window for most of the campers that we sell. But having said that, if your budget is under £55,000, maybe you've got a £50,000 budget, we can still help you. It just means that we may have to try and source a van that's a little bit older with a few more miles, and we may have to try and source it outside of VW. Because most of the stock that VW hold are usually kind of 21, 22 plate at the very oldest, right up to kind of nearly new vans. So if your budget is a bit lower, we can help you, but it will just mean that we need to find a slightly cheaper base van, because the base vehicle itself is what really determines the end price of a camper. That's the main variable. So we can help you. It just means that we need to go and find maybe a T6, maybe a 2019 or a 2020 van, slightly older, maybe with a few more miles, maybe 50, 60,000 miles, rather than a really low mileage, nearly new van, which is what we do for most of our customers. Okay, so that's really it when it comes to the choices that you've got in terms of acquiring a VW camper. You either buy one off the shelf, you go and buy your own van to have converted, or you use our source and convert service. So if you're quite new to this, but you are really keen on getting a VW camper this year, and you feel a little bit overwhelmed and maybe you've fallen a bit far down that rabbit hole, then we are here to help and offer some advice, regardless of whether you decide to buy a camper from us or not. So all you need to do is just head to our website, go to the contact page on our website, which is highlifecampers.co.uk, and you can actually schedule a call in my calendar at a time that suits you, and I will give you a call for a chat. And this is a no pressure call, it's not a sales call, it's just an opportunity for you to ask questions and find out what your options are. If you would like to speak to me, make sure you head to the website and schedule a call with me. And if you've not already downloaded our guides, we've got 2 guides. The first one is our conversion spec guide, where we lay out all 4 of our conversion packages, so you can read through all the features of every package. And then we've also got our VW camper buyer's guide, which we put together to help people, sort of guide people through the process of buying a VW camper. So I'm going to put links to both of those guides in the description below this video on YouTube, and you can also get both of those guides on the homepage of our website, which is highlifecampers.co.uk. Okay, so that's it for this video. I really do hope you've got value from this. If you've got any questions about anything that I've covered in this video, just put them in the comment section below on YouTube. And again, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you've got value from this video and you've enjoyed the content, please also consider hitting that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Speak soon.